In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your 3D Bitmoji background on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then right here at the top left hand corner hit at your Bitmoji to bring up that screen, and from now here at the top you can see your Bitmoji and that kind of pink background. Now in order to change a background, all you have to do is tap at your Bitmoji to show up that options, and here you can easily find the pose and background. Just hit on that. Now there you can change backgrounds and poses for your Bitmoji. So if you want to change a background, you can just select any background from that list. There are a lot of different backgrounds. I like that one or that one, and after you selected background that you like, you can just right here hit on save to apply the changes. Now, as you can see, I have just set new background to my Snapchat 3D Bitmoji. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.